thank you for watching this video. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube, so remember to check it out. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have two channels, PP Controller and QuickBooks QBO, and we have all kinds of free video tutorials to help you, so remember to check it out. So in this video I'm gonna talk about compare features and usage limits of QuickBooks Online, different plans, Advanced, Plus, Essentials, and Simple Start. Okay, so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. So here is QuickBooks Online, and I'll go start from our homepage blog. I already wrote an article on this one, so I'll go through this article. Okay, yeah, that's the one. Okay, so compare features and usage limits of QuickBooks Online plans. Let's start with the price rules. On desktop we have price rules. They call it a little bit different. Okay, so this one is advanced. If you have advanced, if you have plus, you have price rules. If you have essentials and simple start, you don't have that feature. So the price rules is basically so you have QuickBooks, and first you need to go to gear icon and go to sales, and then you see price rules. You need to turn that on, and then once you do that, and it's basically just go to the product and services, and so this is product and service list, and underneath you should see price rules in here. So the way this works is, let's say you have different type of customers, you want to come up with a different price for different customers, Alright, so like this, let's see here. Okay, so you have different customers, you want to sales price is 150, and you want to come up with a different price for different customers, different products. So this is how you set up as price rule. It's very helpful if you are selling inventory especially. Okay, and then the inventory, of course. So if you have advanced, plus, we have that feature, but if you have essential, simple start, no. So the difference is, if you have inventory feature, so you will see item details. So this is where you enter your inventory purchases. As you can see here, it's a quantity, rate, and amount. But if you have essentials and simple start, you won't see the item details section. You will only see category details, and this one is basically mapped to chart of accounts. Okay, and let's go to another one, the progress invoicing. The progress invoicing is basically, right now it's available on all 4 plans. So you invoice, you create estimate, and then you convert to invoicing. You can create a partial invoicing. Let's say your estimate is 10,000 and you want to bill only 2,000 based on the progress, based on the services provided. So that's what it is. And then the track expenses and items by customer, mark mix expenses and items billable. Those two are not available on essentials and simple start. So the way this works is you go to the gear settings, and it's part of expenses, billable bills and expenses. As you can see here, you will see track expenses and items by customer, mark expenses, and items billable. So you can make items billable with the markup, or no markup, just for reimbursement type. Okay, so the way once this is on, you go to the your expense again, so you will see the items in here. Let's say you paid contractors, or you go to Home Depot and bought some supplies for your clients. So the amount is 1,000, and you can make this billable, and if there's the markup, then you can use the markup portion in there, and then you select the customer. Let's say this expense is related to this customer or project, and I'll come back to class and location, so that's what it is. Okay, and then the purchase orders, this is pretty straightforward. You need to have plus or advance to have purchase order form, but they don't have that on Simple Start and Essentials. And track classes and locations. Okay, so it's basically the class tracking is right here. If we have class tracking related to the expense, let's say you bought some supplies and it's related to services, like this. Same thing with if it's inventory, you can use the class here. And on this one I don't have the location yet, but once you have the location on, I'm going to go to the location feature. See right here, it's off. Just select, it's on. Now when you enter your expenses, you'll have a chance to select location. Same thing good when you create invoice too. See, location is right here now, so I can select like this, and then the class, services, a product, whatever class you have used. Alright, and then when you so when you create invoice, you'll do the same thing. See, you got a location, and then you can select class in here, class right here. Alright, so enough with that class thing. Okay, and then projects. So this is same thing, advanced and essentials. So if you have on the left side, you should see you need to turn this on first, of course, from the gear icon, and then you will see the projects on your left dashboard right here, projects. So once your project, you will see the tracking of income and expenses and profit, everything in one place, and then you can run certain reports here. Okay, and to enable this feature on, you just go to the gear icon, let's go to the advanced, the projects is right here, and once this is on, you can turn this off. So okay, and then the multi-currency, so this one's it's available in all three except the Simple Start. So once you have the multi-currency on, you go to settings, it's right here, multi-currency, off or on. So once it's on, you can't turn this on off either, so you have to make sure that's what you want to do. Okay, and the recurring features, so you have certain contract, service billing, and you want to create recurring for certain things. That feature is available in all three except the Simple Start. So the recurring is, just go to the gear icon, and recurring is right here. See, So you can create recurring for a bill, all these, you can create recurring for just about anything. So mostly you want to create recurring for invoice, expense, that kind of that kind of thing. Okay, and you automatically post, so you have a selection in here. So schedule, reminder, on schedule. If it's scheduled, then it will basically automatically post to QuickBooks. And if it's a reminder one, then it will just remind you, hey, you have this set up, what do you want to do? On schedule, just come here, and whenever you want to do it, just do it. Okay, moving along. And so this one is the custom fill. It's not the same as that you see on your invoice. So this one is different. It's a totally different. It's available if you have advanced version, $150 a month at this point. But on other ones, you don't have it. All right, so you may be thinking, well, this custom fill, this custom fill is available in all three, but I think it's all three. Maybe not on the simple start. So that's not what I'm talking about here. This feature is totally different. They call it custom fields, but it's more advanced one. Okay, so on simple start, they don't have even the custom field in here. Okay, so the one I'm talking about it works totally differently. I'm going to go to advanced version now. This is the advanced one. It's related to the custom field that you see on invoice, but the custom field on the other forms is basically text. So this one you can fix it. You can create custom field based on your customers. All right, so let's go to the in here, and you can see the custom fields in here. But you won't see this except I have this one is advanced. So you can create a customer info custom field or transaction info, and once you do that, then you will see it when you go to your customers. And you go to custom fields here. See, it works like this. So normally you won't see it. So this one you can manage the custom fields, add custom fields, and this is pretty good for the if you want to use custom fields. You can generate all kinds of filter report. Like it could be text, number, date, drop down list. Alright, so I have already done a separate video for that one, so you may want to check it out. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And manage workflows. Okay, so this one is also just on just available if you have advanced version. Same thing with the import data invoices from Excel, advanced one only. Alright, let's go to manage workflows. This one should be pretty good feature. See, the manage workflow, I'm on advanced now. This one is not available on other versions under tools. As you can see here, so choose from template to create a template, and you will have a vendor reminder, payment received, payments due reminder, overdue invoice, bank deposit reminder, automatically send unsent invoices, unsent reminder. You have plenty there. So this is the new workflow. It's automatic. That's a very good feature if you want to use it. Alright, but you don't see that on other versions. Okay, and then the other one is the import data. import invoices from Excel. So if you go to the gear icon, you will see let's see, import data right here. It's spinning. Let's see, refresh this thing, see if it will work. There we go, finally. So import data. If you look, you'll have all these other ones: bank data, customers, vendors, startup accounts, and product services, and other plans, but not the invoices. So this one you can import. I've done a separate video on this one. You can check it out. So you just need the CSV file, and you can import up to 1,000 rows. So if you have 1,000 invoices a day, just use a spreadsheet and you can import it. All right. And at the same time, you can also do the next one. Let's see what's in. All right. Or I will come back to other ones later. And the budgeting. So if you are doing budgeting, this one is advanced and plus, but no on essentials and simple start. So budgeting is right here. So the budgeting right here. It's a simple straight budgeting. You can import it from Excel right now. You just have to type it in, which is kind of bummer. Okay. Alright, so the next one is the customer types. Okay, same thing. Advanced, yes. Plus, yes. Essentials, no. And simple start, no. Okay. I've done a separate video on this one just recently, so you may want to check it out. Okay, so the way this one works is like you go to the sales and customers. So this is the customer type. So you have to create all these customer types, and so this demo I had to create I had to use the customer type to generate sales by state. Let's say you do e-commerce and do business all over 50 states or more, then you can do customer types, and then you can run a report. So let's say sales. Let's go to the products in here, reports. This one is too big. Alright, reports. So detail report. Customer detail. See, I got it, already got it, the customized one here. See, all by state, Alabama, all the states, 50 states. So I can run sales report if you are selling, more than one state. So this is you can use the customer type. So customer types, and this one you if you have plus, that works too. But if you have essential, tough luck. If you have simple start, no way. Okay, and the other ones are pretty straightforward. Customers, delayed credit and delayed charge. So this one is available all three except simple start. So this one is let's see here. Okay, gotta make this smaller. So I'm talking about delayed credit here. Most of the time you don't use it, but it's there. But this one is, these two, delayed credit and delayed charge, not available if you have simple start, but it is available on all three plans. Okay, the next one is the accounts payable. Well, bill and bills pay. If you have a simple start, there's no accounts payable on simple start. You just have to, everything is cash. See, so in here, pay, bill, create accounts payable, pay bills, pay the accounts payable bill. Okay, so this is the, but if we have a simple start, there is no accounts payable. See, you have to upgrade it. Pay bill, you will see like this. These are the features not available in this plan. Okay, I'm going to move to plus plan again. Plus plan, here we go. Okay, so what's left in here? Budget, okay. Alright, Interpast Transactions. Well, unfortunately this one is a very good feature, but currently available if you have advanced, but not on other 3 plans. Okay, this is the really good feature. You can Interpast transactions for invoices or checks or expenses and bills, just like you're using a spreadsheet. Alright, I don't know what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the advanced version if I want to show you what I'm talking here. See the batch transactions right here. Let's say you want to create invoices for 10 customers. You can just click on, just select invoice, customer, and like this, and then the location, it's all like that. And if you want to add another item for that customer, you can do it, new invoice, all that thing, new line item, like this, and then you can select another item, so that those are for invoice. Same thing with invoices, checks, expenses. They just added the bills, so this is alright. I think you can use this feature, which is available at least on Plus plan right now. No. Okay, and then, well, this one is the prior support circle. Remember, if you want to get any support from QuickBooks, you call them and you have to wait like 45 minutes, 40 minutes or whatever. But if you have a Plus plan, they have this prior circle. It's a some sort of dedicated type of support line. See, prior circle, you click this and you have all the dedicated accounts management there. Okay, so that should do it for the almost. So then the apps, 2 apps, the QuickBooks and Fathom. So again, this is if you have the advanced version, you go to apps and just select QuickBooks, and it comes with this plan, QuickBooks. So this one here. So the backup, restore, copy for QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you want to copy, backup, whatever, you can't download it. Basically, just if you want to copy this and create another company or something like that, or this is right now advanced, and Inter just bought this company. The name of the company is QuickBooks. Alright, okay, but this one is just for the advanced. Okay, and then the reports. They have Fathom reports if you have smart reporting. So get started. It will take you to this and activate it. All you have to do is activate, and it's kind of all kinds of financial reports, very nice reports. Okay, and almost there. And then the usage limits. So if you have a billable users. If you have advanced, it's 25 users plus accountant. If you have essentials, the plus is 5 plus accountant. Simple start is 1, and essentials 3 plus accountant. Simple start 1 plus accountant. And the chart of accounts, it's unlimited if you have advanced, and 250 on all 3 other plans. And classes and locations, it's unlimited if you have advanced, and limited to 40 if you have plus plan, but this one is not available if you have essentials or simple start. So that's about it on this thing. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you liked the video. Hope it's helpful. Thank you again. Bye.